Hey guys, Christian here, Heart and Hustle, empowering you guys to live a kick-ass life. Today has been a crazy day. I've been working with my sister and we've got a few projects going. We're actually starting an animation company. And so not only are we doing all the business cards, the flyers, the banners, websites, I'm still doing all this kind of artwork, but we're adding animation to the mix. And I want to give you a shift in perspective this week where normally if I ask someone, hey, do you want $100 or do you want $200? Everyone always just picks one and goes to the $100. If you ask me that question, hey Christian, you want $100? You want $200? I say, you know what? I pick both. And do you have any more in your pockets, or why are you handing out money? Always inquire more. Always be more curious as to why things are happening, and don't be afraid to pick both. I just had a friend of mine. He's like, dude, I don't know if I want to buy a house here in Corona, or if I want to buy a ranch in Rosarito in Mexico. And he's like, I can't decide. I'm like, bro, if you ask me that, I would do both. Obviously, it's not going to happen from one day to another. But if you put your mental projection towards the future of having both, you know what the chances are that you're going to have both? It's very likely. Very likely if you're taking the action and you're making it happen. And so, and nowhere in this do I mean that it's ever going to be easy. It's a hard thing to accomplish. It's a hard thing to do. But life is already hard. Why not have life be hard and you get exactly what you want plus more? And that's the point of these videos. I want to show you how I think and how I've been able to. I'll give you an example. I decided that I wanted a classic car and a new car. And this has been the hard work and determination that it's cost me. Now, like I said, I don't want to act like it's been the easiest thing, but it's something that you see the example behind me. So that shows you that it's possible. Did it happen from one day to another? No. Was it a ton of work? Yes. Was it expensive? Yes. Did I do it? So that'll be it for this week's video. I really appreciate you guys tuning in. Please smash that like button if I change your perspective a little bit. And hit that subscribe button as it keeps expanding and we keep taking over the world. And also share this with loved ones. Share this with the people that you care about, because it's these perspectives that I wish that I had when I was growing up, 15, 16, 17, 20, 21. You're trying to figure out how to do something with your life. You know you want to have big dreams and big aspirations. You just don't know how. That's what I'd hope to shed some light on, and I'll see all of you guys at the top. Peace.
Mr. Criminal, all thugs in harmony. Mr. Got a lot of respect. Mr. South, West Coast love, East Coast love, North Coast love, South Coast love, Midwest love, all around the world, much love.
Bring up the West Coast.
Hot power.
It's the CEO, our power taking over. The West Coast is back. It's the next after.